Okay. So in the last session, we discussed on how to create the resume, right? So we have created the resume now, right? We have created the resume on based on the fresher and experience. So as I mentioned in the last session, so the following professional skills should change according to the JD. For example, if you take one, let me take one JD, job description. Right? So we'll get software testing job description. So where they mentioned about regression testing, test case, test reporting, test execution, automation, test coordination, automation testing, Selenium testing, like this. They have mentioned all the types of skill set which they required, right? And we can see also see here. So they should be worked on LMS, okay, learning management system. So like this, the particular requirement is there, right? So based on this, you can change your resume professional also. So they've asked about scenarios, regression testing, experience, and regression testing, right? Retesting, and test reporting. Now, what particular JD will do, what recruiter will do, they'll go according to this particular. So they will find Control F and they'll find your resume whether this particular word is there or not, right? So this is how they will verify your skill set. So I'm having reporting also. So then they will go into test case. Now, right? I'm having this. Now, what they will do? They will shortlist your resume and they will call you that asking for the things and everything. So this is how it works when it comes to JD. So based on the JD, be altering your resume and apply for the resume, apply for the requirements. Otherwise, you will not expect more calls. Now, we have seen how to build the resume. Now, let us see how to save this, right? So, before saving it, right? So, you need to save as, right? Save as. Now, when you are saving, save with your name. Save it like this properly by providing all the information, right? So on the particular job which you're looking for, right? So if you're into automation, so like this, you can save it. You can send it. When you're sending, always send with PDF. Just go to save as type as PDF, save, right? So if you see, right, you will get the PDF version. See how beautiful the resume looks like, right? You can see the alignment, each and everything. It's very clear and crispy one. Right? So like this, you can develop your resume. Now, let me send one resume, right? Let us send how to send it. Also, we'll see. Now, You will go to compose, right? You will apply it, right? Apply to one of the resume, right? One of the recruiter. So as it is already mentioned here as Karthik, they have already given the name. So you can use the name, right? Got to know that there is an opportunity on automation testing in your company. And my profile suits the job description. Job description. And I attach the profile for your reference. Profile experience, relevant experience. Not just optional, you can keep it. Period. CTC means current CTC and what your expected CTC, right? So when you're mentioning expected CTC, unnecessary, do not mention 3x of it, right? So what will happen? Then you will not get a call also, right? So you can mention as per company standards. You can attach a file. As you know, you can attach the file, right? Always send the PDF version, right? Then you can send it. Now see here how neatly the resume comes here. So it is clearly mentioned as Karthik automation testing profile. So when I open this, I got the relevant things and I got the company name, and never forget to mention the phone number as well here. Okay. So never forget to mention the phone number. So please mention the phone number there. Right. See how neatly. Suppose if you have missed out the attachment also, using the phone number, they can connect with you and collect the resume. Right. So this email, you can mention it however you require. You can just mention kindly find attached profile also. No issues. So you can maintain the same format also. No issues in it. So right now you got to know how to. Now suppose now we want to uh, apply it for some other JD, for example, right? So always remember when you are mentioning it, and after when you sent it, please do one folder. Okay, for example, you have sent it for Accenture. Keep this profile with Accenture, right? so that you'll get to know which resume version you have sent it. Now, if you want to change the version, right? Now, so I got another profile. Now I sent it for, assume I have sent it for a different company, right? You can keep it over there. So this is the easiest method to understand which profile you have sent it for which company. So this is just some part of exercise to make sure that you are not confused with your resume. Right? So this is how, right? This is about the session about the resume building and how to send the resume, right, to the recruiter. Always remember, as I told, when there is a name already mentioned in the email ID, right, use their names only. No need of mentioning I sir or I madam. Suppose for some people, right, for some will be having career, right, career at infosys.com, right? See, I got it, right? You will get it career at infosys.com, right? Now you doesn't know who is the HR now, right? So at the time, typing, okay. If you know about who is the HR, what is the name of the HR, please mention their names only, right? No need of mentioning hello, sir, or madam. No need of mentioning that. Don't do this, right? Instead, hello team, or you can mention we are HR team. Like this, you can mention, right? So hope this session is easy and understandable to everyone, right? So for any questions, you can contact in this particular email ID, okay. And you can follow me in the LinkedIn as well as on the Instagram, and you can use the QR code to read the feedback of our people success, how they got improvised and how they are working and everything using this code, right? This is about the next session on how to answer tell me about yourself. So in the easy methodology, we'll be going through this topic on how to answer tell me about yourself.